Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a little garden bunny in a pot using polymer clay. So let's get started. Begin by taking the colour that you would like your pot to be. I have chosen this warm brown colour of clay for mine. To shape it into a pot, place a ball of your clay on your work surface and then use your fingers to shape the sides of the pot while also focusing on making the top and bottom nice and flat. For this kind of shape, you want to make sure that the bottom of the pot is more narrow than the top. To create the dirt, add a flat piece of brown clay on top of the pot, and this can be a darker brown of clay like I have chosen here. And then to give it the look of some soil, just gently swirl the clay around using a needle tool or another sharp tool. Now to create the rim around the pot, roll some of your polymer clay into a long snake on your work surface and then flatten this clay down with a rolling pin. You can trim off the sides using a long blade to make them nice and straight, and then you just need to wrap this around the top of your pot. To make this process a little easier, I've decided to flip my pot upside down so that I can use my work surface to make the rim nice and even. So this is what my pot currently looks like. Now we're going to be moving on to making the bunny. So the colour that I've chosen to use is called Ecru by Premo. So here I'm just working on shaping the head. I started off with a ball of the clay and then I'm using the side of my finger to give the face a little bit of dimension. To create the ears, roll 2 balls of clay into teardrop shapes and then you can flatten these down. When you're ready, go ahead and trim off the pointed parts of the teardrop so that you have a flat surface to work with, and then you can position these onto the bunny's head. I also blended mine down using a needle tool to make sure that they were secure. Moving on to the face, I firstly created 2 indents where I wanted the eyes to go, and then I added in 2 balls of dark brown clay. I attached on a little nose in the center of the face and then also 2 small balls of pink clay for the cheeks on either side. Once I had made the bunny's head, I then took a large ball tool and I made an indent right in the center of the soil so that I could easily place the bunny inside. Once the bunny is positioned onto the charm, you can then add some little paws sticking out the front if you would like to. The last thing that I wanted to do was add a little sprout to my bunny's head to make it look like it has kind of peeked out from the soil and taken a little plant with it. So I've just got a piece of brown clay and I'm adding on 2 green leaves and then just very carefully positioning this onto the bunny. Once you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and add an eye pin if you would like to make it into a charm, and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, go ahead and take some super glue and you can use this to secure the eye pin so it doesn't fall out, and then optionally you can also add a coat of glaze if you would like to make your charm nice and shiny. So here is what my little pot plant bunny charm ended up looking like. The style of this charm is a little bit different to what I would usually make in terms of the face and the features of each body part, but I do really love how it turned out and how simplistic the design is. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!